Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pod X9, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so. And then here you'll find a couple toggles. You want to swipe down on them to extend the list, and somewhere here you should see Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is located right over here. Once you see your toggle, you can hold it, and this will take you to these settings. Here, we have basically no settings. The only thing that we can do is just create a schedule, and that's it, unfortunately. So if you want to have a schedule, you could create one. You can edit this one, and that's about it. Now to turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode, all you need to do is just find it, tap on it, select enable, and that's it. Now, like I mentioned, to turn it off, you'll need to go back here and tap on it. Now, because there is no settings outside of the schedule, there is no way to select it on a, for instance, timer, outside of maybe just choosing a schedule that would cancel it if you forget to turn it off. Because obviously if you forget to turn it off, it will be running indefinitely in the background. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.